All right, here we are. We're walking through the Forbidden Forest. Or Eli's run. Oh my gosh, look at Eli. Woo! Very cool smoky effects. Don't run though. Hey, look over here. Push that button. Turn it from day to night. Turn it to night. Oh, how cool was that? Look. Very cool. Oh, it's gonna get dark and scary in here, Eli. Ooh, let's go this way. Oh, to the left. I'm sorry. Thank you. All right, all right. Oh, have you been in here, Eli? Okay, cool. Oh, I can't even see on my 360 camera. Oh, spiders. Oh. Oh, there goes the spider. Very cool. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm getting people's on. Oh, cool.
I want to make him go away.
All right. Hi.
Are you enjoying the tour?
Yeah.
Do you like spiders?
Yeah, it's better. Kind of.
They look so lovely, don't they?
Very cool. All right, bud, you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Push the buttons. I think you wave your hand. Do that with the wind. How cool is that? Very cool. Oh, you feel the wind? I felt it.
And look at this.
All right, do that. Patronus! Oh, expecto!
Let's go. Toronto. Let's go. Toronto.
And that is our walk through the Forbidden Forest.